Hello guys, this is Umay Kulsum. So today we are going to talk about Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's teacher. Before we talk about this letter, let's know something about Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809 and he was died on April 15, 1865. He was an American lawyer and statesman who served as the 16th President of the United States of America. Born to parents who struggled to make a living in Kentucky, Lincoln made great efforts to acquire knowledge. An outspoken opponent of the system of slavery, Lincoln defeated the Confederacy in the American Civil War and introduced the measures that abolished slavery. In this letter, Abraham Lincoln requests his son's teacher to teach his son the values of life. Education does not mean mere academic excellence, but academics coupled with right values. He will have to learn, I know, that all men are not just and all men are not true. But teach him also that for every scoundrel there is a hero, that for every selfish politician there is a dedicated leader. Teach him for every enemy there is a friend. It will take time, I know, but teach him if you can that $1 earned is of far more valuable than 5 found. Teach him to learn to lose and also to enjoy winning. Steer him away from envy. If you can, teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Let him learn the early that the bullies are the easiest to lick. Teach him if you can the wonder of books, but also give him a quiet time to ponder the eternal mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and the flowers on a green hillside. In the school, teach him it is far honorable to fail than to cheat. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells him they are wrong. Teach him to be gentle with gentle people and tough with tough. Try to give my son the strength not to follow the crowd when everyone is getting on the bandwagon. Teach him to listen all the men, but teach him also to filter all he hears on a screen of truth and take only the good that comes through. Teach him, if you can, how to laugh when he is sad. Teach him there is no shame in tears. Teach him to scoff at cynics and to be aware of too much sweetness. Teach him to sell his brawn and brain to the highest bidders, but never to put a price tag on his soul. Teach him to close his ears to a howling mob and to stand and fight if he thinks he is right. Teach him gently, but do not cuddle him, because only the test of fire makes fine steel. Let him have the courage to be impatient. Let him have the patience to be brave. Teach him always to have a sublime faith in himself, because then he will have sublime faith in mankind. This is a big order, but see what you can do. He is such a fine little fellow, my son. In this letter, Lincoln is asking his son's teacher to do certain things to make his son a fine citizen. Lincoln himself says it is a big order, but the teacher should do what he can. Lincoln says that his son has to learn that all men are not just and all men are not true. The teacher has to teach him many things like for every scoundrel there is always a hero. For every selfish politician there is a dedicated leader. For every enemy there is a friend. The teacher should keep the boy away from envy and teach him the secret of quiet laughter. His son should learn that bullies are the easiest to defeat. The teacher should teach him the wonder of books. He should give him quiet time to think about the wonders of nature, like the birds in the sky, the bees in the sun, and the flowers on a green hillside. The teacher should teach him that it is more honorable to fail than to cheat. He should have faith in his own ideas, even if all people tell him that his ideas are wrong. The teacher should teach him to be gentle with gentle people and tough with tough people. The teacher should try to give the boy the strength not to follow the crowd. He should be taught to listen to all the men, but he should learn to differentiate the truth from falsehood. He should be taught to laugh when he is sad, and let him know that there is no shame in tears. He should be taught to laugh at the cynics and to be careful about people who show too much sweetness. The teacher should teach him to sell his physical and mental abilities to the one who pays the most, but he should never sell his heart and soul. He should learn to close his ears to the shouts of crowds and fight if he thinks he is right. He wants the teacher to treat the boy gently, but he should not be pampered just as steel becomes strong only when it is put in fire. A man becomes strong only when he faces difficulties. He should be taught to have the courage to be impatient and the patience to be brave. He should have faith in himself because only then he will have faith in mankind. Lincoln says that he is aware that he has given a teacher a big task and the teacher should do what he can. Lincoln says the boy is a fine fellow and he hopes he will turn to be a nice citizen with the learning he is going to receive.